Today we will be discussing how to fix a latched out reel on a Series 7000 reel. This process will also be the same for the Series 80,000 and 9,000 reels because they have the same vertical spring latching mechanism. A latched out reel is when you can't pull the hose forward anymore or retract it back in because it's in a locked position. To fix this, you'll need to disengage the latch to have it go back into place. There are a few ways to disengage the latch. If your reel is within reach, you can manually turn it forward to disengage it with your hands, then have it go back into place. If you can't reach it, or if you're at the end of the spring and latch, use a long flathead screwdriver to push the latch to disengage it from the ratchet. Make sure you hold the hose when releasing the latch to control it retracting back into place. For more how-to videos, visit realcraft.com.